calling him a cloud chaser, they make sense to anyone. Just get to work. If by let's say 6 months time or 5 months time, you come back and tell us that, oh, Charlie, I have a solution. Data prices have been reduced by this and so and so. We move. That is all we want.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana SAM TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified.
Calling him a cloud chaser, they make sense to anyone. Just get to work. If by let's say 6 months time or 5 months time, you come back and tell us that, oh, Charlie, I have a solution. Data prices have been reduced by this and so and so. We move. That is all we want. Very critical of this government. When you were in opposition, you had solutions to every single problem in this country. Chamo, we have given you the position. Show us the working. Right now, it turned Twitter fingers. Come on, bro. You think there will be kiddies for this country? I come and talking about, and you have declared your stand. I have openly declared my stand. I would rather be known as an MPP member than being a hypocrite and taking money from politicians and just be posting rubbish on the TL. Bombo class.
As AyEka cry MPP for NDC for by AyEka issue at hand. Data boy SAM GEORGE
bro, when
data you start so MPP ni ana
you see when MPP was in power, did you know the beginning of the conversation? I said it when MPP was in power. Me then Tech in Chi, we were at NCA, bro. Who was on GTV back in early morning telling the government to reduce data prices? If be me then Tech in Chi, then they do them. That time they didn't know I was MPP.
The only reason why
what are you people talking about?
Kwadwo Sheldon was
no, that guy for a guy that always talks about intellectual abilities and capacities in IQ check like Charlie. I don't understand, bro. I don't get it. Yeah. If NDC and me say NDC now your phone will be to say you spearhead social media communication on social media. What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Who need data? Instead of you to you don't even have data. Instead of you to support Tech in Chi to actually spare this conversation. Video. People watch my video. Do you know what people have been doing? Right now, they go wait in act 12, then they go use that free night bundle, then watch my videos and so on. Charlie, people they tired. We are all talking about. We are coming to talk about. What do you know about SMP? What do you know about SMP? Do you know the conversations that we have had? Do you know the meetings that we have sat in? Who do you know, bro? Why no know? What Bongo damn? Now who Bongo Ideas? Let me see NDC now. I have phone when you be. Now the baby I met you. Not putting rough that guy. Make you not even cross my. I'll go beat him rough.
Kojo.
Mama Jimmy forward. Jimmy on social media every day. What Jimmy say? You need to prepare. I'm over here reducing it. I'm not going for Jimmy forward. I bet now. And you have declared your. What are you talking about, bro?
Relax.
Now, Jimmy has been going on for a very long time. You people see, this is the guy that actually spread information to this platform that I have a diplomatic passport. Till today, he has not proven it. And you have some foolish people on the TL who believe in that. This is the guy that said, I traveled to the US to go and beg a lady or whatever to marry me. Like some foolish things. Then you people encourage this fool, bro. What the fuck?
So didn't you be deviate?
No. I for make that guy not say no. Now we'll be begging for Juma that year. I send number. It is something where it come.
Kojo.
Move from Jimmy and international social media on. Now you what? Me say NDC now your phone will be to say Bongo. You might Adnan Perry no are spearheading conversation about NDC on social media. I have four. Ben you politics is politics. But when you are doing your politics, no, me don't involve my name, bro. Anywhere I go find that guy, hang go touch him, bro.
Bongo, Obesaya Kasabia now data nasa.
Now
only data, we need data. Push center table. You push center table before you go sleep. We are talking about four. They have increased the prices of. They have introduced this a petroleum whatever levy. Yeah, your bicycle are driving. You know, me bicycle you ride. I don't know what Jimmy Sam. You people are sat on this platform for this particular guy to spew. Like the things that we see. The thing is, if you want to sue this guy, it'd be like if you will end up paying for his lawyers because there's nothing. He don't get nothing. So sometimes I sit all the lies that this guy has spewed about me, bro, on his tail, bro, and people actually believe it. The diplomatic passport one where you pay me, bro, because me the contemporary passport that they carry to move around. This fool sat on his platform and lied, and people believed in it because all this thing is because I belong to the NPP. Now then, do you see me attacking people because they belong to the NDC? Have you ever seen me done that before? What kind of foolish politics is this? And you have fools on the TL supporting this thing. Now, I'm going to time, baby. All of you, me see anybody that did me bad, your time will come.
So,
Hey,
Bongo,
bongo mama, yo bongo.
Bongo, SMP no, Bongo, SMP now kind. Mami explain you
As
SMP
SMP,
the
SMP,
whole
on
thing.
SMP, you cross a significant market something.
I
Crossing
say,
one tier, say.
I say significant market player, power.
It is not
If
even
you
player,
like,
it is power, bro. Jimmy in one tier, say.
you see,
Crossing you, wait, me see, would you know the people that we have met? Wait, now, wait, imagine inviting Bongo Ideas for a SMP communications. A Peter,
You be intellectual. You
Charlie,
be intellectual.
no problem. You will be not be intellectual. No, yeah. Do be happy you be on here. Take him key. Keep fighting. I will support you from afar. But fighting for Ghanaians there, may God forbid.
so Bongo, mami explain.
All of us have to support this initiative. It's clearly a worthwhile initiative. And we have this one day where all of us come together to give thanks to the Almighty for the many, many, many blessings He has bestowed upon us. And you've identified one of the most important is the stability, the unity of our country and its stability. Our country is the only one in West Africa, perhaps one of the few on the continent that has never had a civil war. On the 7 years since independence, we've had our problems, coups, etc., but the country has never broken apart, and we have never ended up fighting each other because of politics or power. And that is a blessing for us. And we're continuing down that road. We're now in the Fourth Republic, which has given us on occasion 4 times to change governments peacefully. And it's now become what happened in December last year, shows that it is now part of the culture of our country that we should have these popular consultations that lead to peaceful transfers of power. So we have a lot to thank God for. And I want to commend the President for thinking of this initiative and for making it real. So I'm grateful for your presence. Unfortunately, before I received this letter in your presence here, I also made arrangements to be outside the country. Largely, you say I look fresh, but I need to be sure. So, largely for my doctors to have an extensive period to look at me. So I'll be leaving the country in the course of the next week, and I'll be away for over a month on that. So I will not be present. But definitely, I'll be there with you in spirit, I'll be there in heart. I don't know whether it will be appropriate for me to address a short note to you, of which you can read on the occasion, to express my support. Or even that, I'm prepared to do something. Bring me a text, and I'll do something. Yeah, and we'll look at it. So I want to congratulate all of you for undertaking this important national assignment and devoting your energies to it. It's all in the interest of our country. I think it's a worthwhile initiative, and I believe that it is one that all well-meaning Ghanaians, who are the overwhelming majority of Ghanaians, will embrace this initiative as a positive development in our country. So, Mr. AyΕka, I'm happy that it is you who's leading this exercise. Not many people would have automatically associated you with prayer, but it's. But I'm happy that it is you who's leading the efforts. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for the invite. You convey my warm greetings to the President and Chief of Staff who wrote to me and for this meeting. Thank you very much indeed.